My strong suggestion is to you is that you have a truly balanced portfolio where you have gold physical in your possession to offset the risks that you're taking with the fiat money. You don't want to be in a position where you are depending upon others, the government or the elites, because that will not serve you well. Gold and silver is your real money foundation. It's what you're going to need to rebuild on the other side of this, but you need it all, not just one little piece.
Investors typically invest in stocks, bonds, and bank deposits. Without a doubt, gold is a good investment when it comes to diversifying your portfolio, but it's also more than that. Gold is considered a good hedge against currency depreciation and inflation. As a buffer against inflation, diversifying your portfolio with gold could be beneficial. The price of gold will rise in response to events that reduce the value of stocks and bonds. Helps protect your assets against stock market crashes. Gold's performance is influenced by a number of factors, including inflation, global metals trading, and other geopolitical concerns. In today's video, we'll tell you why Lynette Zang believes that silver and gold in our portfolio will change everything for us. But before we get into the video, make sure you subscribe to our channel and press that bell icon to never miss an update. Some people have no choice. If you have no choice, then you must hold your assets in fiat money markets. You need to have a truly balanced portfolio where you have physical gold in your possession to offset the risks you take with fiat currency. Interest rates are a key tool that central bankers have to regulate the rate and speed of inflation. You're anchored to zero. You don't have this tool, and so they rush past that level just so they can drop them again. These are all signs of the end of the life cycle of fiat money. The markets have no idea what to expect from central banks, and this is another tool that they have to guide their policy. Once the Fed feels and the central banks feel enough pain, they will pivot. They'll print so much money, all the rest of the confidence will be lost and we'll be in hyperinflation. Food, water, energy, security, barterability, wealth preservation, community, and shelter. You don't want to be in a position where you depend on other members of the government or the elites, because that won't do you any good, and this loss of public trust threatens this elite position. And they know that those who have gold retain their options and their power. It's true that you are a central bank. This is true if you're an individual, because that's what we need. We need freedom of choice, and that is why it is so important that you are prepared as possible. Gold and silver are the basis of your real money. This is what you'll need to rebuild on the other side, but you need everything, not just a small piece. Gold, according to financial experts, is one of the best methods of adding reassuring factor to one's financial portfolio. One of the main factors that makes it the right addition to your investment map is its low to negative correlation with most other asset classes. If you're a stock market investor and don't think stocks and bonds offer enough variety, a little gold can help you diversify. The stock market and gold often move in opposite directions. Consequently, if the stock market falls, gold generally rises. If you want to balance your portfolio, gold can help you do so by diversifying your assets in a way that protects you from market events. Mainly due to the availability, gold and silver have always been a very popular investment choice. Compared to other types of investments, such as stocks and bonds, gold and silver have proven to be liquid assets that can easily be used as an investment cushion when needed. Also, there's a huge market for physical gold and silver. Buyers can be easily located. Although gold has a long history as a form of money, it's not the ideal investment for your portfolio. There are good and terrible reasons to include gold in your portfolio. Investing in gold solely for profit dilutes the strategic value of the asset. When it comes to gold, it's not just about ascension opportunities, it's also about reducing downside risk.
We need freedom of choice. And that's why it's so critically important for you to be prepared as you possibly can. The markets have no idea what to expect out of the central banks. And this is another tool that they have kind of to guide what happens with their policy. They gave it up. They had to be extremely desperate and out of other options in order to give up this extremely key tool. Last level is you and me. And what this really means that the markets just got a lot riskier because they don't know what to expect from the central banks. Once the public loses confidence, that's when you will see hyperinflation kick into gear in earnest.
That's all for today. Let us know your views in the comments section below. And don't forget to like this video before leaving. Thanks for watching.